Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this particular video of Google Ads series, we will understand how you can spy on the Google Ads of your competitors without their permission. And don't worry, it is completely legal. So if you want to know that what kind of advertisements your competitors are running, either it is a display ad, search ad, call only ad, YouTube ad, whatever kind of campaign on Google using Google Ads, then it is very easy to spy on their advertisement and it is completely legal. And even the fun fact is the tool which we will use is being officially provided by Google itself. So it is not something that we are using third party tool which may create some consequences. It is an official Google tool. So what you need to type on Google is Google transparency center, and the first link that you will see, ads transparency center, click on this. And now from here you can find out all the advertisement running via Google Ads, whether it is your competitor or maybe someone else. But if somebody is running ads on Google, then you can simply search them. So here you can say anytime. So for example, when they have created their advertisements, it says anytime, whether today, past, anytime they have created, it will shown in India, or maybe you can see the country specific advertisement. And if you choose the platform like all platform or Google Map, Google Play, Google Shopping, Google Search or YouTube. So you can choose the filters, and all topics by default it is, because other option is only the political ads, right? So of course in multiple, or I would say many cases, political ads is not something that you are interested in, all topics. And now either I can search by advertiser name or their website name. So for example, I want to know what kind of ad Amazon is running, right? What kind of ad is Amazon running? So you can say Amazon.in. So there are multiple names as Amazon.in. The easiest way is to put their website. So I'll just click on Amazon.in, and all the advertisements, Google Ads advertisements, which are running by Google, Amazon brand, are now shown to me. And you can see here, I click on see all ads, and all the ads will be visible to me. And it is something like what kind of advertisement they are running, like they are running the shopping campaigns, right? Here if you see, these are the shopping, because obviously the Amazon is an e-commerce website, so most of the time they are running the shopping campaign. This campaign is app install campaign. Search ad, you can see this is a search ad, right? Other type of campaign, if you see, sometimes maybe the display ads, sometimes maybe the video ads, or maybe you can directly filter. Let's say you want only the YouTube advertisements running on YouTube, so you just click on YouTube, and now you can see on YouTube, here is the icon that is called video icon. And if you click on this, and now you will be able to see what kind of video ad they are running, and you will be able to play them as well if they are allowed to play, because here most of the times the video is meant to be played, but sometime if it is not loaded properly, give it a time, or maybe try another ad, but it will be visible to you. Come back. Now let's say I want to only see the display ad, so just click on, for example, display, the Google search, because it is the part of Google search network. So I'll just click on Google search, and you can see here all the search campaigns which are being displayed in the Google search results are here, right? And you can see these are the display campaigns or shopping campaigns shown to users whenever they are searching for particular keyword and or maybe particular product. So that's how you can spy on your competitor. Let's take another example. Let's say I don't want Amazon, I want, let's say, Policy Bazaar. I want, let's say, Policy Bazaar, right? Policy Bazaar Insurance Limited or policybazaar.com. that is something you can enter. And now you can see here all the advertisement, their title, their description, their ad copy. Even if you click on this particular campaign, and if you here, right, so you can see more in details how many variations they are been using in headlines and description. And you can also of course see more advertisements from their same advertiser or maybe the other advertisers. So that's how you can spy on your competitors Google Ads absolutely for free, without any third party tool, without any charges, and without the concern of being ethical or unethical. It is completely ethical and legal, because the tool itself is being provided by the Google. So guys, that's how you can spy on your competitors, and you can know which kind of ad copy is actually working for them. So guys, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.